Hi minasan, Jim des. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. So for today's video, sasagutin natin yung ating question dun sa part 1 natin. So yun yung parang part 1 natin. So yung tanong ay why do you want to work in our company? So sa Nihongo, watashi tachi ga hataraite iru kaisha de naze hatarakitai no desu ka? Ayun, yung tanong na yun. So, sasagutin natin yun, yung tanong na yun. So, why do you want to work in our company? So, yung sagot ko nito, sa akin lang, ito yung sagot ko. Certainly, I am drawn to your company because of its reputation for innovation and commitment to excellence. I believe my skills align well with the needs of the company. So, let's say company name is XYZ. So, yan yung XYZ name ng company. And I am eager